So we're stood here looking at a Leicester Fire and Rescue truck that's been done in photogrammetry, and this was a demo that we did for London Fire Brigade. And over here I've got a model of the high-rise. So this was a concept video. This was part of a demo, a concept piece that I did for London Fire Brigade, and Leicestershire Fire and Rescue helped us with it. We went to Rugby Council and we scanned a full photorealistic 11-storey block of flats in Rugby, inside and out, laser scanned it using Leica Geosystems. We used the RTC 360. And then we put it inside virtual reality just to show the proof of concept of what you could have inside VR. So we've got two high-rise here. You can see them in front of me. And it is a powerful experience when you're stood here in front of these buildings. Like, they actually feel real. This is a concept piece, but it's still very real as you walk around these firefighters. So the idea for this scenario is that we're going to build in to this environment all of the national occupational guidelines around firefighting for high-rise buildings, and allow you to come in here and practice all of those manoeuvres and procedures. So down here we're going to have access to the dry riser. You're going to be able to do all the things that you can do in the real world with a dry riser, but it's just, we had to show a concept piece of exactly what we meant by photorealistic, room scale VR training. So here, as we stood at the wall, this is what we mean by photorealism. The building is actually the building because we took thousands of photos of the outside of it and then recreated it as a model. As you can see, we've added smoke coming out of the window, literally just to show what could be done. And all these models, these are also done using photogrammetry. And we can look into his eyes. But you can make this scene very real. But what we don't have at the moment is, I need a set of scenarios that we can use as the guidelines to build the scenario. We need to use it as our game design brief, if you like. That needs to be the National Occupational Guidelines. So we can work out exactly how you're supposed to be delivering the training now in the real world and do the same thing in VR. So that is a very quick, just walk around the outside of this high-rise trainer, which is photorealistic as well.